4 versus 5 tama lah guy tan. 4 versus 5 Casiogs but ka old school.
Only love and night are
Casiogs were old school. Tre inar da ulitan. Pat sedang re las dang bro, las dang biro.
I am he, and always will be, no matter what.
Las dang. Wei peliau long on ram jong ka old school la on si on mla on ra te takada habela kai 4 versus 5 toma. Okay, this is the first match between Casiogs and old school. On the left side we have Casiogs and on the right side we have old school. Okay, the one with 5 players is Casiogs and the one with 4 players is old school.
The smell it just better in the morning. It is who we are.
Let's see who's going to win this match. It seems like Casiogs is gonna have the upper hand here regarding this match because they have 1 extra player. So do belang Casiogs go mewan balang marbanyang pilbat karpuria do belang kumno bro pilang spang bro spang but
Is in sight, soldier.
Spang do belang. Hey, one drop. Aslam ji issue ipila.
Now Kai enters the scene.
Ha group C manu badan chance bandrung ani ngar kompat pet bahara. Patip bro. Na buon plak team song ani indera besok.
My mission is to protect lives.
Ngar ngobyang la filbot ngobyang bro. All the best guys, one drop. Okay, we have old school with only 4 players and Casiogs with 5 players. So Casiogs is gonna have the upper hand here regarding this match because they have 1 extra player. Yes, easy win tarai Casiogs. Yes, miwan balang marbanyang katahi la kham ka advantage kala kham hai ki Casiogs pi sangun. Uni old school na marbo way play la on si on room la ra. Umban ra kanu nuru te takadaw. Ni haban ya sedang no ika match. Yes, it's my humble request and Philbert, just like Philbert said in the live chat, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we have 1,890 subscribers. We need around 110 more subscribers to reach 2,000 subscribers. Let's share the stream and let's get some more viewers and let's get 2,000 subscribers before the end of group stage, right? So that when we have 2,000 subscribers, it will be decent to start an epic skin giveaway. Let rematch see 5 versus 5 come equal. Logra bro in rematch. Namara kanika schedule bah fix beka schedule am jangan disim lari era. Bro kanika tournament logra banya le ta. Namarba pinchole rematch te bro. Kam internet da equal mlali ra uni old school long hite wang le kai 4 versus 5 long hite po chat mana long le kai 4 versus 5 long hello bi mana wang namar bau tu wei pulia wan ra kan nuru ban on room on hira kan nuru takara bun ki ba perfect la ma long page kom ki gang matra Julian ha kan bro kadai Ngiki MCS. Come on, that's a first blood for Casiogs. And we have one kill already for the blue team. So we have that team. Let's take a look at top lane. We have Esmeralda along with Paquito. Let's see who's going to take the first kill here in top lane. So we have a rotation come in. So bang kumne ya spoil the tournament. KHASI, okay. Oh, look at this all chat coming in from both the teams. So we have a rotation coming in from Casiogs. They didn't even manage to take down Esmeralda. So now we are going to see Nana rotating back to mid lane, and at the last, the only one from old school here being charged with carry, and Nana is going to be a kill, and at the last has been taken down. So we have bottom lane here. Franco along with Moskov and Namsubang Tila Deban 1.89 subs, Lajan 2k. Yes, bro, almost 2k. I really want to reach 2,000 subscribers so that it will be, it will be worthy for an epic skin giveaway in the playoff. So we have a turtle being charged by Casiogs. And we have a charge coming in here from blue team, and we have at last the only player from old school. Let's take a look. Gary with that turtle, and we have at last has been taken down by Nana. It seems like another player is going to go down. Esmeralda has been taken down by Paquito. So we have bottom lane here, Moskov and Franco. They are not changing up the lanes, and they are sticking up. With the bottom lane here. Casiogs Filbert Kabuya, blue team Casiogs toxic stats. Kill 26. Toxic. But stream no kind of to kill 26. Blue they team you. Blue team is Casiogs and red team is old school. Ngaru player Casiogs te takadao. Okay, biro. Depending on the draft, on draft better. OG draft better. Okay. Nila practice hard. Faisa. All chat ofila. Okay, let's take a look at mid lane. Here we have a fight 4 versus 3. Let's take a look who's going to be taken down. 4 kills in total for Casiogs. Let's hope that old school is going to be there. Oh my god, they finally managed to get 1 kill, and we have a miss hook coming in from Franco. So we have 7 kills in total from Casiogs, and only Franco, the only one, survived in this match from old school. So we have 3 players from Casiogs in mid lane, and 1 player each on top and in bottom lane. So we have Uranus gonna be in a fight with Esmeralda. So let's take a look at Moskov and Franco. What a nice hook coming in from Franco, and Moskov has been taken down within the range of that turret, and the ultimate coming in from Franco. So we have another hero has been taken down, which is Atlas in mid lane. So we have a rotation coming in from Paquito in top lane. Let's take a look. It's going to be charged against Esmeralda, and Esmeralda is going to go down, it seems, or maybe she's going to survive. And Nana coming in with the help, and Esmeralda is going to go down. There it is. She's been taken down by Nana. So we have 9 kills by 2 kills. So we have mid lane turret has been taken down, and it's going to be 3 versus 3 here in mid lane. We have Kerry very low in HP, missed hook from Franco, and Paquito managed to take down Akai. So we have 2 players still standing here from old school. So we have Hyper Akai. Day bro, insta kill 25 kill 26 but kill 27 day di kiwegi bro. Oh, tips no lang ah. Napang ano mo di ada YouTube bro kan isu ay katang lo kajong pat mo. Wah game kill 27, wah po YouTube pat kill 26. Ngap tip berapa mo ngasu ang kill 26 ada di kiwegi. Ni Urena SML day kill 27, YouTube kill 26. Day Robo kill 25, Twitter kill 24, Facebook kill 23. Your inas lali Akai ba benta kasigi. So we have at last managed to escape from the fight. So it seems like Akai has been taken down. We have 3 players still standing. Esmeralda is going to try to defend here in top lane. So we have mid lane is being pushed by these minions, and Uranus is gonna clear up those minions. So we have bro, he live stream kaniru. Yes bro, mla abang reply mo di all chat mla reply ra. Tay Paquito mla reply ra bro. Mangi ki streamer mla abang reply all chat. La syukali tu mak. Boring. Pathatnya ban komentar dulu fighter support. Esmeralda has been taken down, and Atlas has been taken down, and KHASI is gonna go and try to go for the push. So we have another threat has been taken down, which is from Moscow here in bottom lane. Franco is coming in straight ahead to take the fight with Moscow. So we have in top lane Akai is being charged. Akai is going to go down it seems, and there is Paquito along with Kerry. Is going to be a kill for Kerry, and we have Esmeralda coming in with the charge. Let's take a look. It seems like Esmeralda is going to go down. Nana with the assist. No, Esmeralda still managed to survive. What a nice hook coming in from Franco, and Kerry has been taken down. Look at that last with only 1 HP, and he's going to go back to his own base, regenerate some HP. Going to join in the fight along with Esmeralda and Franco. Kill 27 na KHASI. Oh, ngamut kaju lol. Yes, ngar ngamut kaju lah bro. Syupas. Syupas. Syupas lah siang syupas. So we have 4 players are assembled together here from old school. So we have Akai moving back to top lane. Let's take a look at Franco. He's trying to clear up those minions from bottom lane. Fidei Manufis. Fidei Nanufisa. Oh, Bhaisa. Look at Atlas. Gonna go down. There it is. Nana with a kill. And Akai is gonna go down as well, it seems. Okay, what a nice hook coming in from Franco. And Akai coming in with his ultimate and is going to be 1 hero down, it seems. And Urena still managed to escape with his flicker skill. So we have Lords being charged, and it's going to be taken down by KHASI from Kerry. And we have Nana with only 1 HP, and we have Uranus trying to go for the charge against Esmeralda. We have Franco along with Esmeralda here in top lane, and moving back to mid lane, Franco and Akai. Okay, Esmeralda has been taken down, and Lord is coming in from KHASI from top lane. Akai has been taken down, and Nana has been taken down by Atlas. So we have only Atlas still surviving here from old school, and it's going to be a final push coming in from KHASI because all the players are being wiped out by KHASI. So there's a lot coming in from top lane, and mid lane has been taken down. So bottom lane has been taken down by Moscow as well. So there is only Esmeralda is coming back, and we have Akai as well. But there's a win for KHASI with get an easy win. Okay, they have an upper hand with 5 players, 1 player extra against Old School. Old School with only 4 players, they are facing a very big challenge against Casiogs. So that's a win for Casiogs, and congratulations. So we still have 3 more matches. Stay tuned. We will be right back.
This time, the choice is mine.
Okay, the match is starting. This is the second match of the day. We have Ghost Esports versus Glory Hole. Ghost Esports versus Glory Hole.
It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Kom num wan sikrai se num menang atam sikrai kai pan.
I didn't cure the
La wai ngasu ngatam sikrai tala menang num ta kam long ra. WARx, get ready for next game. Nga sikrai la num menang pat kini sikrai irang atam num menang pat. Ngan ngok nur kom kam tam am kan test ta. Am kan test kai ka long num long sikrai num ta num menang atam.
Ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right. I swear to God that I can jump and roll. Yeah. I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Masuk lah kelalong kapan? Kelalong lah entah. Ngela off mah kurang ngela off. Nadu benang khamtam dah kamu jingrai deh. Shish, por asil. Tentang ka thut lah ni kayu ka am. Tentang ka long, tentang kam long. Cak liang. Kuat kenduk ya baru artim. Oh bhai. Uzi SKPN 06 kila iwan kinong pikai na do mena. Don't we player way to mena boang. Hana boring tournament ever. Iba keman lang ternyang. Shanoy dan iba keman lang ternyang. Hana boring tournament ever hana. Kibriau that kibriau tani kasingi titama tang samar khe pan pejru Okay, on the left side we have Ghost Esports and on the right side we have Glory Hole. Ghost Esports kita kate kardiach lay probe niach bah tangbang asya vibe. Bibang sudah ni ka team ne BrUT N. BrUT N ki team am batakat ne ma. So if you're supporting Ghost Esports, just type in the chat, and if you are supporting Glory Hole, just type in the live chat as well. So we have Thamus, Julian, Esmeralda, Brody, Nathan, and Xavier. Those are the heroes banned by both the teams. Klam job si game ru hap boring here. Itu balaram lu streak yala jong takadaw. La bandai bro, la bandai. Elite player itu. Come on WARx, elite. Elite player AI itu. Rabang lah sumat li. Kam kala lagi beliau tentang pinspek itu am kisuan na yang tip irai kas dang kut am tournament siang baik boring siang baik kumta ba tentang samar khela Benih-benih hajan lah aku taruh sana motor tu mak. Benih-benih hajan lah aku taruh sana motor kan yang melen tu. Supporting both team Uzi, Ghost Esports, nice NCG, nice game. Lag, latip lupa hi tu guy ong bit lag. Latip lupa hi kini ong bit lag. Latip lupa hi kini ong lag. Lol bro, ibak teman lang ternyang. Bro lawan mi. Kadai bit bro. Ibak teman lang ternyang. Pete pidam mang ikan kai. Pete pidam bro. Ibak teman lang ternyang. Maaf bro. Iki jumpa kelama. Ngampit piong boring ya ka tournament na. Boring ya ka. Ya kinok lek kai na. Ya ka tournament tu try ngampit. Ngam try rabi ong ibe imut ong ya tournament. Try ong ya ki team si try ki don gitik balik kai saungut try ong ya kata hi boring. Okay, that's the first blood and Zilong has been taken down. So let's take a look here. We have 1 kill already for Ghost Esports. So Lui with only 1 HP is gonna teleport back to base. Kadai baong P bro lose streak takadaw. Oh bhai. But no hit. The enemies is done hitting now. Oh. Ibak keman lang ternyang. Pide na team you pat. Apa kumta? Pide na team you. Pide na Casiogs na po old school. Okay, there's a turtle charge coming in from Ghost Esports. Let's take who's going to be able to take down turtle. Zilong has been taken down for the second time. So we have a Kai to be in charge, and we have the turtle has been taken down by Balmont. So let's take a look at the fight happening here. It seems like Zong is falling back from the fight as well. We have Ramis half HP. We have 3 players here from Glory Hole assembled together. We have in top lane 2 marksmans, which is Beatrix and Claude. So we have bottom lane Yuzong is going to teleport back to base. Zilong is right there and he uses ultimate, but Yuzong finally managed to teleport himself back to base. So we have Zilong going to try to go for the push that bottom lane turret, and we have Yuzong coming in straight ahead to clear up those minions. So are we going to see a rotation coming in from Akai to bottom lane? No, he's gonna stick to mid lane along with Luigi, but we are going to see a rotation maybe from Ghost Esports. There's a charge against Akai, and Akai with a flicker skill managed to move forward from the fight. So we have Luigi is being charged with a flicker spell. She managed to escape from the charge coming in from Balmont. So we have Faramis being charged by Beatrix, and there's an ultimate being used and trying to support his own teammates. And we have a CC coming in from Faramis, and Beatrix has been taken down. So that's a 3 kills for Ghost Esports and no kills yet for Glory Hole. Look at Faramis going to be able to move backwards from the fight. We have Valentina has been taken down, so it's going to be double kill from Yuzong. We have Yuzong with a double kill, which is Akai, and Luoyi has been taken down right there in top lane. I'm right, bro. Sis noob says it not, but yeah, Ugoku, so I free entry next tournament. Sedang Ayuki enemies was a fucking boring tournament. Rick Marak. Marak go to Garo Hills and ask Sangma to host tournament for you, Nubra. Okay, so we have bottom lane, Yuzong with Beatrix. So we have 3 players assembled together here from Glory Hole. Gonna try to take the fight with 2 players from KHASI Esports, which is Faramis and Claude. So we have a total of 6 kills from KHASI Esports and 2 kills from Glory Hole. Nga come on, bro, ya Goku lay, please we follow each other on Instagram. Oh, okay bro, okay. I understand bro, I understand. Kata nglaw ngai pi man ang ang. Ndai ra yang ang last two hi ke jing ang pi ndai ra yang a. La tập ang. Cái đây ba ya team si ke đây ba ka kam ya kum ka yu am 5 versus 5 takadaw ka boring na tournament. Denzel bro, this has nothing to do with you actually. Ngaklam hurt in any way bro. It's okay, chill guys, chill. It's okay. Let's resume back to the match. Let's forget what's happening and let's enjoy the stream. So we have a 6x2. Let's take a look at all the builds here from both the teams. Oh my sap, what a kill happening here in mid lane. So we have 2 players from KHASI Esports has been taken down. So that's a comeback coming from Glory Hole. So there's a push coming from Zilong in top lane. Turret has been taken down. So Balmon is being charged and he's going to get taken down by Akai. And we have a total of 5 kills for Glory Hole and they are trying to equalizing regarding the kills. So there's a charge regarding the turtle from Glory Hole and we have Yuzong will go for the charge. And let's take a look. Will Cyclops been taken down? Oh no, Yuzong has been taken down by Beatrix. Cyclops with only 1 HP still managed to fall back from the fight. So we have Faramis being charged and Faramis has been taken down. So we have Turtle is being charged by Glory Hole. That's a total of 7 kills for Glory Hole. So let's update back again. The blue team is KHASI Esports and the red team is Glory Hole. Oh, misunderstand. He says, Angoku yang akum tate ang amut piong ya em. Come on, bro. Come on, long him data. Kidiki match bakwa baha banpet OP bro our team. Yes, bro. These are 2 OP teams worthy of watching the stream. Nangali dang noob. How can you like players? Oh, does it hurt? No, bro. I'm still trying. Okay. Sorry if it hurts. I'm hurt, bro. I'm taking it since I ba momo. Thank you, live chat OP bro. Kum tu kan ka live chat ke dia lang mo. Friendly chat bet. Just to iway so. Day ba peace no to bakla pi yang alay. Okay, that's a charge against the Lord. That's the first Lord going to be taken down by Glory Hole. Now we have 9 kills in total for Glory Hole and 7 kills in total for KHASI Esports. So Beatrix has been taken down. Oh my sap! But Akai managed to take down Lord, but instead the players from Glory Hole has been taken down. They have been taking so much damage by Lord. So we have a charge coming from KHASI Esports, but Faramis has been taken down. And we have 4 players still standing here from blue team KHASI Esports. So Lord coming in from Glory Hole from top lane. So KHASI Esports is gonna have to watch out this Lord. This Lord is gonna go and trying to go for the push regarding this second lane turret. Second turret from top lane. So we have Balmon gonna go for the charge against that Lord, and we have all the players from Glory Hole gonna try to assemble together, trying to go for the gank against team KHASI Esports. So there they are with an ultimate, and Valentina is being charged, and Valentina has been taken down. Balmon is being charged as well. Seems like Balmon is gonna go down with a charge coming from Zilong. We have Faramis with the assist. So only 2 players there. ultimate for Faramis. Faramis has been taken down, so we have Yuzong coming in from the help for Ghost Esports. So Yuzong has been taken down as well. There it is. We have 4 players has been taken down from Ghost Esports. So only Claude still surviving here from blue team. So what he's gonna do now is he gonna go and try to defend his mid lane. So we have Luoyi trying to stop this Claude to come out of his own base. So we have 3 players from Glory Hole trying to go for the charge in mid lane, and mid lane base threat is in danger now with very low in HP. Still managed to stand with a very low HP. Mid lane turret is gonna go down if they are not gonna pay attention from team Ghost Esports. Ataque mnie ubrusan bukuhi basdak. Kena yang apa? Oh, kena yang ada hana sedanga hana. Abanga ngadap og menel khabang ra yang aru. Okay, Yuzong has been taken down, so only 2 players still standing, which is Balmon and Claude from Ghost Esports. Hoy bro, to labiang kata list la clear am debus tu pukla ba pin pa jasngo na nga. Okay. Hope so nga respect how you pilai. Ngali bin yang laong bakis kerengkai piong kamong ra nga ngaten. Omnilay video, omnilay no problem. Take man spang ay pisa bro, sudah live chat itu spang pisa bro. Okay, charge coming in, and you have mid lane base threat has been taken down. Zilong gonna try to take down top lane base threat, but there are no minions coming in from Glory Hole. So mega minions coming in from Glory Hole in mid lane. So they are trying to go for the charge again to Lord for the second time. Let's take a look at Ghost Esports. What are they gonna do now? Are they gonna do and try to disturb? Oh, Lord has been taken down by Glory Hole. What a very fast for Glory Hole taking that Lord. WARx Day next game. Page ang po description bro sa iya ka fix ka third game ka day ka next game third game ka day next game kani day second game page ko to third game bro ka day ka game you page po description okay, we have Balmon has been taken down, so it's going to be a 5 versus 4 here. Lord is coming in from Glory Hole from mid lane. There it is. Lord is going to be tanking for Glory Hole. Ultimate being activated from Faramis, and Akai has been taken down by Valentina. It's going to be very hard for Glory Hole to go for the push, but instead Valentina has been taken down. There's a win for Glory Hole. With the help of Lord, they managed to go for the final push against Ghost Esports. Ghost Esports have put up a very good fight in the early game, but they are getting compacted by Glory Hole, and Glory Hole managed to take down the first Lord, and he managed to take down the second Lord as well, and he managed to go for the final push with the help of Lord for the tanking. So they finally managed to take down some heroes from Ghost Esports, and they finally managed to go for the win. Congratulations to Glory Hole, and GG well played to Ghost Esports. So for those of you who are watching, stay tuned. We will be right back. We still have 2 more matches after this, so please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream because we have 1,890 subscribers now. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers before this group stage ends. Okay, let's get to 2,000 subscribers this next week by next week. So stay tuned, and we will be right back. Host da ka ila ngayo iki hap ya hyper da
I
fighter ba.
harness it.
Tibla bro la di ka rule iman. Ketika an ka rule bro.
My magic flows as freely as the wind.
I host hi yaki players bro mla bro banle kata mo so era. Ban host hi players mla bro nomor ba pin I host ya ka team kan sa. Ayo. Kan saya keluar so beli pi I host itu la the host itu I ngin host mangi. I host itu la I host itu pas ang itu shwe team pat so ang la itu takara ka ban long fair kon long bi ban host bi na padang bet. Pin I host ko ka team kan sa complain kan host ko ka team kan sa complain kalau kumta vice versa pitebam nga bala si host nga ba si lapsi na marka season 1 ni ladat mat kumta ni I host yaki players la I host ko ka team pat ko ang hana host utu na ka team jong tu hana ka lag bahala mlokra nakta ka daw ba banai I host ni noru ma
This time, the choice is mine.
BrUT Napang ai jingrai san ki ngam ngalingo kan ke jingrai kam long ra tala baleng ngalingo ha ka jingrai kam long ra ka plop hala kan ka tornep mentala ai jingrai mas non shilam da on jingrai long ra. Okay, we have a match. This is the third match for tonight. And we have WARx versus BrUT Napang. On the left side we have WARx and on the right side we have BrUT Napang. Let's take a look at this match here. Who are you supporting, WARx or BrUT Napang? Please make sure to mention in the live chat.
I see lots of
Udi
prey.
takati Viper. Ana. Kahit kanam lag ra BrUT Napang ajurai sanki kata te kadehi bro ba ang mapi Filbert Karpuria la delete ML bayo BP na bale akai bagi randoms Filbert ulai akai bija mai biang uang hana bang na fel pelat igi Blackpink hana uang bula fel pelat igi Blackpink uang hana nomor utu di fan Blackpink tu lah takadau uang hana mtasian ram of this status hana I am a very big fan of Blackpink. Hana, I'm going to install BGMI again hana because of Blackpink. Bro lano ke giveaway kan sedang da la sedang ke playoff mah da la sedang ke playoff kin sedang ke giveaway. Kita ki bala unlock ya channel membership kin yo 10 chance mah 10 times 10x chance 10 times chance. Ka chance bikin yo ya ka jing job jong ka giveaway mah kita ki channel membership ki bla join channel membership kin yo 10 times ka chance ban job kini ki bam join membership ru kin yo ban participate re ka chance ko long betang 1 ma tang 1 chance oi goku jing rai nang na jing rai ma las dang ka game tu ma ka game las dang ngam ju jing rai ra las dang ka game nomor ba kelut secara la jing rai nak sang game.
The night sky tells all.
Tu lawan Filbert. Biang padang akan mau napi bahayang fi bhabriyo bah.
Wipe out all the injustice.
Yano le ozi yang. Oh, pHANG ya escape ma. Yes, biro. Tay Filbert lihat perkelap tu lah yang tu kau jengkeran dengan mantan bawa ngah Blackpink. Sengap bejar na. Okay, so we have Julian, Vil, Yin, Atlas, Thomas, and Valentina. Those are the heroes that will be being banned here from WARx and BrUT Napang. WARx and BrUT Napang. Oh, bhai sab, Julian nak join membership. Let's start here. Let's start. Julian or what? Nakataw Blackpink na ngapi. Julian, thank you so much for joining. this membership, and you will get 10 times chance for the entry, giveaway entry. We have very less members, we have very less channel members, so high chance for the members. Okay, now we have around four members in our channel, so those 4 members will have a 10% chance for the giveaway entries, and the normal subscribers will have 1 chance. Okay, so day to perlock DJ Suklanya Eita Blackpink hana ni Eita Blackpink ak mamana yo update status patala hana kenal ya day darati ayah wait WARx ayah wait Glenny Walang. Okay, we have a supporter from for WARx. Where are the supporters for BrUT Napang? Let's take a look. Kwa yarap join lang bro pan julelay bro julelay ra pila bai ban participate ya ke giveaway wala da phim join ya ka membership ru phio ban join andre kata kalong bang issue ai ka chance pi ya ki mo yibre ki bala join membership ke long hab ai special hiam indian namar bak la join mo te hab ai special ni kan 10 times chance ya ka giveaway te kita ki bam join group Mira. Okay, that's the first blood for Nana for Team WARx, and that's the second blood for Ramis has been taken down. That's the third blood, a double kill for Nana, and BrUT Napang are facing a very bad kill, a bad push coming in. I mean a bad charge coming in from WARx, and they've lost 2 players there in a fight in mid lane. Julian the pikwa ban use kitoki stickers through pilala ama nama pila join membership pila ban use ki stickers Julian bro kito stickers use kito bro. Okay, yeah, BrUT Napang here, 2 players. Oh boy, BrUT Napang finally managed to take down Napang. It seems like Faramis managed to escape from that fight with a flicker spell, and Beatrix as well managed to escape with very low HP, 1 HP. And we have another kill. Johnson has been taken down. That's a total of 2 kills for BrUT Napang. They are trying to equalize it regarding the kills. We have Chow has been taken down in bottom lane, so we have an equalizing kill from BrUT Napang. That's a comeback. 4 kills in total for BrUT Napang, and we have 3 kills in total for WARx. So interesting fight happening here between these 2 squads. Early fight happening. Next time my bro, so join lang nga shwa finals semi AA. Okay bro, okay. Sure bro, sure, no problem bro. BP Blackpink. BP Blackpink, oh bhai. Arey bhai, pech mano bhai yo kill ne. Ish, Johnson missed the charge against Faramis. If he got a direct charge, they would have been able to get a kill against Faramis. Bari hundling doling koi. WARx. Glenny Walang. Let's go WARx. Oh, so many supporters for WARx. So let's take a look. What will WARx gonna do? Johnson with very low HP. Beatrix gonna be able to take down Johnson, I guess. Johnson with very low HP is gonna teleport back to base, I guess. But Beatrix gonna let that happen, and Beatrix finally managed to take down Johnson. So we have a total of 6 kills for BrUT Napang and 4 kills for WARx. Julian, good game. GG bro. And that's it. Nathan has been taken down, and we have Beatrix half HP still left, and we have Chow and Esmeralda always in a fight. Look at Xavier misses ultimate against Chow, and it's going to be Esmeralda gonna try to go for the charge against Chow, but Chow gonna manage to teleport himself back to base with only 1 HP, and we have Esmeralda Gonna get charged by Johnson, but Johnson is solo play here. He didn't carry with anyone inside the right. So we have Faramis along with Xavier. OP Faramis and Beatrix lol 0 HP la. Yes bro, 0 HP in top lane. So we have Hayabusa. Oh bhai, Nathan has been taken down. Let's take a look at Hayabusa. Will he be able to escape from this fight? There it is. We have Beatrix has been taken down instead. And we have Hayabusa trying to go for the charge against the Turtles. We have Johnson, Roger along with Nana. And that Turtle is being reset back again to full HP. Ngaong menepit dang game pi do belang. I become to. More hadu 48 month batch. By 48 month batch. OP Faramis and Beatrix lol 0 HP. Okay, I'ma get all the Dragon Ball and get the Dragon Nanto. So yeah, wish now good. Yes, bro. Yes, you will get a wish, bro. You will get a wish, bro. Yes, you will surely get a wish, bro. If you unlock the dragon, you will get a wish, bro. You will get a wish. Okay, we have BrUT N gonna try to go for the charge against for the Turtle, and Hayabusa managed to take down the Turtle, so there's no one from any teams trying to go for the push in bottom lane. So we have WARx here, Nana and Johnson gonna try to go for the push in mid lane. So we have Esmeralda gonna rotate back to mid lane. It seems okay, she decided to move back to bottom lane. So we have a fight happening here in top lane. Beatrix managed to get a kill against Nathan. So Johnson gonna try to help out Nana. We have Faramis trying to 31 likes. Okay, come on, let's get to 40 likes. It's been a while that we haven't got 40 likes. Come on, let's get 40 likes in the stream. It's been a while. For the past 3 days, we've got only 20-30 likes. We haven't seen any 40 likes. Right, let's go for 40 likes. Come on, let's go. Let's make it happen. John Troll. Yes, Johnson is trolling, bro. Johnson is trolling, but he managed to take down Hayabusa. Oh, bhai sahab. Richfield Council. Oh, Beatrix been taken down by Roger. So we have a total of 8 kills by 10 kills. Wait a moment, right after this fight, we will check out the builds, okay? Right after this fight. If it's getting calm, the fight, we will take a look at the builds. Okay, there's the builds for you. For the viewers, we have WARx and BrUT N. The blue team is WARx and the red team is BrUT N. These are the builds. While everyone are still calming down, there's no fight happening now. So let's take a look. It seems like top lane there's going to be a fight between Hayabusa, Beatrix, and Nana, Nathan, and Johnson. Okay, let's take a look at this lane here. It seems like the Turtle is going to get charged by BrUT N, but WARx not gonna let that happen. It seems like Johnson gonna go in front, trying to stun some of the players from BrUT N, and we have Turtle is being reset back again to full HP, and Johnson is around this portion of the map. So we have Johnson going to go for the charge. There it is, a stun coming in, and we have Roger managed to take down the Turtle, and it seems like it's going to be a kill for WARx, but Beatrix has been taken down, Faramis has been taken down, Esmeralda has been taken down, Turtle has been taken down by Johnson in bottom lane. So there it is, Roger managed to take down the kill, and Hayabusa is gonna get taken down by Roger. There it is, Hayabusa has been taken down, that's a wipeout, and WARx managed to wipe out the whole players, the whole team from BrUT N, and it seems like it's going to be a push coming in from team WARx against BrUT N. There it is, the second mid lane turret has been taken down by WARx. Like bit dan, yes bro, like bit dan. Oh, 7 CB barat Napang tu kasih. Nya nu batu Johnson la full miss. Nya no people are done myself done bro. Kali kum bro dan kali ra patte banyanga. Jiran here, where's Goku? Goku is right here, bro. Goku is right here. Greedy John. Lo haya your ulti jungle. Lol haya your ulti jungle. So we have a fight happening here between Beatrix and Nathan. It seems like Nathan is very low HP and he will be able to get a kill. No, Nathan has been taken out by Beatrix, but Roger is not gonna let that happen. Beatrix is gonna get charged by Nana. There is Nana with that skill, but Nana has been taken out by Beatrix. What an OP fight. What an OP charge coming from Beatrix, but Beatrix has been taken down by Nana, so we have Esmeralda gonna try to clear down these minions. OP Roger, nice. I'm a ganking. OP. Okay, we have Esmeralda gonna take down this bottom lane turret. We have Hayabusa managed to take down mid lane turret. So we have Johnson with the right. Solo ride. He doesn't even carry anyone with him. So we have a push coming in from both the teams. WARx with a total of 14 kills and Napang with a total of 30 kills. What an OP fight, OP match between these two teams. They are trying to equalizing regarding the kills and regarding those farms. So we have very low HP from Roger. Look at Roger. He managed to take down Hayabusa. He's going to be able to take down another kill. Is it going to be a triple kill, double kill for Roger? Triple kill. Oh no, Nathan managed to take down the kill. Roger with a triple kill. And only Faram is still standing from BrUT Napang. It should have been Savage. Oh no, it should have been a Maniac from Roger. Right, it should have been a Maniac for Roger, but Nathan stole that kill from Roger. So there's a lot coming in from Team WARx, and BrUT Napang have to come up with a plan. So we have Chow here trying to go for the push in bottom lane base turret, and only 1 HP still left, and Lord is coming in from bottom lane. So we have WARx gonna assemble together. Maybe they are gonna go for the push in mid lane or top lane, and they're gonna leave Lord alone to go for the push against the bottom lane base turret. Nice Beatrix. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes. So we have Lord coming in with the charge. So Esmeralda along with Xavier trying to clear up that Lord. Lord is gonna try to delay some time for these players. Now is the time for WARx to go for the push while the players are still busy with Lord, but Lord has been taken down. So there it is. We have the chance is gone for WARx. So we have Esmeralda trying to go for the charge. Instead, we have WARx gonna try to fall back from the fight, but we have buff has been stolen by Team WARx, so no more buff for Team BrUT Napang. Now we wait Roger to yes, bro. Okay, there it is. Esmeralda has been taken down by Johnson. There it is. Beatrix has been taken down by Nathan. That's a double kill. Nathan has been taken down by Xavier. That's a mid lane base that has been taken down by Chow. Yeah, Beatrix has been taken down. Faramis has been taken down. What a nice kill coming in from Chow. And that's a kill. Xavier has been taken down. Only player still standing, which is Hayabusa. Look at Hayabusa. Finally a kill against Hayabusa. That's a wipe out. Second wipe out for WARx. And we have Faramis back on his feet. Will be able to defend this base. No. And WARx finally managed to get a win against BrUT Napang. And BrUT Napang lost this match. GG, congratulations to WARx, and GG, well played to BrUT Napang. So well played to both the teams. And for those of you who are watching, stay tuned. We will be right back. We still have one more match for tonight, so please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
tough.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blood is on a groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. Now save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, not saving, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blood is on a groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. Not save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new stuff. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon there. Sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, not save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
we're not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. I'm taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new stuff. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
we're not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon there. Sharp as many, got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, not save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
we're not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. Now save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing.